Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to change the blade of your mixer jar, small jar which is used more in our kitchen, and also it needs more maintenance. Generally blades and couplers are to be replaced sometimes. So I am going to show you a technique and tool for the same. So let us and how the kind of fixture I have made from home items and homemade tools and home tools and home techniques. They are already of course they are scientific techniques, but one can easily do it at home. That is the purpose of this video. I am going to show you. Please see. This is a mixer jar with a broken blade. Now we are going to change the blade, but for that we have to hold the coupler fixed manner. Generally what people do, they will use such kind of a plier or pinches and hold one wing, and that means full load comes on the one wing and there are chances of it getting broken up. So to avoid this flaw in the repairing process, I had designed and made a homemade mixer jar holding fixture. That is this. This I am going to use and you will understand. See, let us put the jar on this. Now it is fixed. So this is a special fixed spanner which I am going to use to loosen the nut. So if you turn it anti-clockwise, it will get tightened up, but if you turn it clockwise, it will loosen up. So I am going to show you how you can do this, achieve this by simply one hand, by using this holder fixture. Now that nut has loosened up, we can easily remove it by hand. Now this is the blade, we can remove it. See, this is broken. This one end is broken, other end is intact. This is a split end blade. It has got a special purpose that I will explain in the latter part of the video. So we are going to replace it with a new blade. It is like this. It has got a single end intact. It has also got a special purpose that also I will explain in the latter part of the video. So it is fixed. Now I am rotating the nut in anti-clockwise position and the blade has started moving. That means coupling has started moving. That means now you have to keep the coupler by holding it fixed. This is achieved by this homemade mixture jar holder fixture. Actually it is coupler holder fixture. Now I am going to tighten it. Now it is tightened by rotating in a counterclockwise position. The coupler is fixed and you can do this only with single hand. That is the main benefit of using this type of a holder fixture. Such fixtures and jigs are used quite commonly in workshops and in factories companies. It is my objective, it is my purpose of this video to show this technique to home mechanics and also small commercial mechanics who are not using these kind of fixtures techniques and using such simple tools. It is my request to them to use such kind of advanced tools, slightly advanced, they are not more costly, and such kind of low cost but high benefit special purpose jigs and fixtures, which you can easily do it at home, and it will enhance the quality of your work and also avoid the risk of injury to your hand or to the mixer coupler or mixer jar coupler or something else. So it will be a risk-free repair, easy and fast repair process. That is the objective of this video. If there are some lapses in my commentary, my explanation or showing, they may please be excused. If you have got any questions or doubts, you can ask me in the comment section of the video. I will try to answer those as best as humanly possible. Now I will show you another design feature, another advantageous feature I have incorporated, I have made in this mixture jar holder fixture. Let us see. These are the two holes which were there readily. I have just widened those. Now I have just slightly put a spacer below it so as to increase the level of these two. They are drill bits. Sometimes to change the coupler, when blade is okay, you have to hold the mixer jar in inverted position, inverted fashion. उल्टी तरह से पकड़ना पड़ता है, and you have to by holding the blade fixed, you have to rotate the coupler to remove it. So there is a special tool for that which I will be showing in another video, but to give an idea I am showing you how it will be being used. It will be like this. There is a C section at the end of this special tool, and which will be used to loosen the coupler part. People who are already familiar with such tools may already grasp the meaning of what I wanted to say or convey to my viewers. But a demonstration, practical demo show is necessary, essential, that I will show in another video. I am going to make a series of such small videos showing various tools and techniques of maintaining and repairing various small parts of the mixer jar. That is the blade, the coupler, there is a shaft inside, there is a bush also, and other such things very easily at home. Also to routine maintenance item like how to oil the shaft, etc. Now I will explain the design of this blade. This is a split blade. It causes more cutting action, but it is delicate, so it is to be used for grinding soft material, soft leafy, with low hardness, otherwise it will get broken. This is a single end blade which is stronger than that split end blade, so this can be used for grinding cardamom, dalchini and other such hard material, but especially don't use it for grinding turmeric. Sometimes you can use it for small quantity, but that I will explain in some other video. So I have shown you how to fix it in normal position and also how to fix it in inverted position. That was the purpose of my video so far. Now it is complete. I hope the viewers have understood the parts and tools and mechanisms. It is not a mechanism, it is a fixture. How it works and how to use it. Also there is a part of how not to use it. So you can ask any doubts or queries in the comment section. I will try to answer those as far as possible. So this was the objective of my video. Now it is complete. Let us stop the video. The mixer blade is fixed and our purpose is achieved. Okay, let us stop the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Om Namah Shivaya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop.